begin round 15, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and mark the second chain as the beginning of the round. Then double crochet on the next double crochet twice. So that's 1, 2, then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on next double crochet 3 times. That's 1. This is the second, and this is the third. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next space. Chain 1, and shell on next chain 3 space by making 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 and finish the shell by making another 3 double crochets on the same space. And we just made the base of the leaves. Then chain 1 and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next space. Then chain 3, and this is the end of the repeating stitches. So we will mark this. So we will repeat from the double crochet. Remember that this chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. So we begin from double crochet to the chain 3. Then we repeat the same set of stitches. So do it one more time. So we double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 2 and double crochet on the next double crochet 3 times. This is 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3 and single crochet on the next space. Chain 1 and shell on next chain 3 space. Sorry about that. My camera got too close to the crochet hook. Chain 1 and single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, single crochet on the next space. Chain 3, and repeat. So keep repeating this set of stitches from here to here all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. So after the last chain 3 of the round, we slip a stitch on the beginning, chain 3 on the second chain, which is the mark stitch, and this is the end of round 15.